Hello friends, we are going to create another prehistoric creature that's called Indricotherium. And today we'll be using a image, a empty image, and we will make it, align it to the view, and then over here we'll open the image, downloads. Okay, now what we could do is start creating the model. Control 3, left ortho view, it's more comfortable. Shift A, mesh, UV sphere, scale it down, grab it, scale it down further, rotate it, grab it, scale it down further. Okay, and let's have a look from the top. Okay, Control 3, go to the sculpt mode. Okay, enable dynamic topology, smooth shading, 6 pixel as detail. Okay, for the snake hook brush. Okay, first draw the basic outline. Okay, now we'll mask this area and mask this area, quickly mask it. Control 3, Control I, invert the mask. Okay, for the snake hook brush, have to scale it up. Okay. I for the inflate brush. Okay. Increase the intensity of inflate. Okay. Increase the intensity of inflate and we save it. Save it here. Documents. Oh, okay. And home. Let's add a folder called Blender Art. And another folder in that called Indricotherium. Indricotherium. Name the file Indricotherium. Save it. Alt M, remove the mask. Again, create a mask here. Mask this area over here. Control I, invert the mask. Control 3, left ortho, K for the snake hook brush, first we draw the basic outline in this first video, and then we could do the detailing maybe in the next one. So let me just do the outline over here. So the outline is just about to be done. Let's inflate this area. I inflate it, use I. Let this do. This area too. Okay, let's keep saving. Alt M, remove the mask. Control 3, left orthographic. Control 3. So how does it look? Okay, we'll do one thing. Let us inflate this one. This part a bit more. Okay. So. And the legs should be extruded from here. Okay. Okay, snake hook. So let's keep saving. So this basic outline is almost done. Here we need to inflate a little more. Where the legs will be out from here. We have to extrude the legs from here. X. Using control, we draw the other way. Okay. So let's keep saving. Okay, and now we could stop this video and we could continue it the next time. Okay, quickly come back But before that, I just want to do one thing. I'm going to reduce this top area, make it smaller still. Put this here where the backbone is seen, or rather we could inflate this part where the backbone would be there. Okay. Backbone over here. That should be fine now. So let's keep saving. So this is a creature called Endothelium. And it's a bit up, so we want to do one thing. Drag it down, only drag it down. Let's again solid view. Okay. 3. Maybe pause here and return soon. Soon return. Keep practicing.